Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 76mm 5-seg grinding disc. Now, this is a medium bond 70 grit. This tool right here has rounded edges, great for riding over lippage, has a heavy concentration of diamond. You could clearly see it in the picture. This tool right here takes out very coarse scratches and leaves a very nice scratch pattern as well to the floor. If you're doing grind and seals, if you're trying to transition to polishing, it leaves a very nice scratch profile. For more information, message me now.